Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the dual time mode on your SKMEI model 1628 watch. Pretty simple stuff from your main timekeeping. Now pay attention, my time is 2:39 p.m. From our main timekeeping mode, we're going to press the mode button, it's the bottom left button, 2 times. You're going to end up in a mode that says DT, which stands for dual time. And basically what this mode is going to allow you to do is in the top right you can see your current time. So that's the location of my main timekeeping mode. It's time. And then in the bottom you've got a second time zone that you can keep track of. Now this isn't like some Casio watches out there where you have to pick and choose a world time value or anything like that. All you're going to do is you're going to manually set this time. So you need to know which location you're wanting to set time for, and I'm going to show you how to set it. While we're in this mode, we can press the bottom right button and we'll see a blinking indicator that is our hour value for our dual time zone. You can press the top right button and adjust that accordingly. Now you're going to notice the AM PM indicator in my case, whatever time format you've got your main time in, that's the same format you're going to see for your dual time. I'm in 12-hour format, so we're going to see it in both places. I'm going to press the bottom left button. That will take me to my minutes, and again we can use the top right button to adjust our minute value. You can also press and hold. You don't have to sit there and click individually like I'm doing. Press and hold goes a little bit slower than I would prefer. I wish it would go a little bit faster, but it's not too bad. Now, if I press the bottom left button again, it's just going to go back to my hours. You cannot adjust the seconds because your seconds will always match the seconds for your regular time. Once we're done setting it, we're going to press the bottom right button. That will confirm our changes, and now we have our dual time set, which is the bottom value, and our regular time up top. Once you're done with it, you can press the mode button a couple times. Actually, just one time gets you back to your main timekeeping. Actually, let's take a look at that. I'm in dual time. Yeah, you'll have to press it a couple of times unless you're in the setting of the dual time. If you're in your setting of dual time, you can press the mode button once to get you back to your main timekeeping. But anyway, that's a look at the dual time mode feature on your SKMEI 1628 watch. I hope the video helps.